Hello. In this video, I will show you how to use the circle tool. This tool can be used to draw perfect circles or to highlight existing shapes. To use this tool, click on the Shapes tool icon and change it to a circle. Hold down your mouse button to draw the shape. To create a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Next, tap on the Select tool and click on the shape to use controllers and edit the shape. Adding a text box to your circle is simple. Just double-click inside your circle and start typing. You can adjust the size of your text to your preference. To change the color of your circle, tap on the Select tool and select the circle you wish to modify. Press the Fill button to change the color of the entire circle. And if you wish to change the sides of your circle, press the Palette button and choose the color. For more videos, you visit our channel. We look forward to seeing you there.